Hi YouTube family! Today I am going to show you how to cook a jackfruit seed. If you haven't seen how to cut a jackfruit, follow the link below in the description box to watch that. So after I cut it, I saved the jackfruit seeds. So over here, I have boiling water. So I'm gonna take my seeds and just dump in it. I'm gonna let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes until it's soft. And then I can peel the skin and eat it. It's been 30 minutes. Now you can see that all the seeds have expanded and the white outer shell is open. That means it's ready. I'm gonna take it and rinse it off. Gonna rinse it with cold water. You can skip rinsing if you have time to wait for it to cool. When the seeds are wet, it's very slippery and hard to handle. Ideally, you want to wait for it to cool and dry before handling them. Here it is. You peel out the white stuff. And then you peel out the brown stuff. You could eat it. I'm sure it has lots of fiber, but I'm not gonna eat it. But I guess if you're cooking with it, it should be fine. But it's pretty easy to peel out. It's just time consuming. I'm too lazy. Ah. Some people say it tastes like chestnuts, but it doesn't have the sweetness of a chestnut. It kind of tastes like a big chickpeas. It doesn't have sweetness, it just has like a chickpea texture. I wonder if I can make hummus out of this. Right. So the skin, it's kind of tough. So you kind of have to peel it out. So it's gonna take me a while to peel these out. Took a while, but all peeled, you can eat it as is or use them in different recipes. Watch my next video of how to cook them inside curry. I hope you enjoy watching me cook the jackfruit seeds. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Vlog you next time. Bye. Focus. How you see it's cracked. Oh. You just peel away on the white stuff.